come very quickly off that turf.
Imran Khan to Vivian Richards.
It's well bowled and must have been perilously close to being out LBW. Perhaps just a little inside edge.
And a little high. An extra bounce. That movement's still there, Tony. And Viv Richards playing it in style of Greg Chappell. He was hopping. Didn't have his feet on the ground when the ball made contact. I've seen Greg Chappell troubled with that very same delivery several times this summer. And see Vivian Richards losing his poise just for a moment or two.
Well bowled, and he beats the outside edge of the bat, and that's fine bowling by Imran. Wouldn't it be fantastic from a Pakistan point of view if they removed Vivian Richards?
4 balls bowled so far in this over, and what a beautiful over it's been.
Big bounce there outside off stump, and that one seemed to hold up just a little bit as well. Well, this could be a very important over. Vivian Richards has the strike. He's looking just a little bit uncomfortable, and Imran has the ball in his hand. Well, that's a beautiful shot. Magnificently played. Well, he's tried 2 or 3 of those, and he hasn't middled any of them. On that occasion, he hit it right in the middle of the bat, and it went flying away to square leg for 4.
Imran telegraphing what he was going to do. Viv Richards back very quickly. Pulls it away over square leg. A ferocious shot. Just bouncing once and over the rope. A great shot. He read Imran Khan's mind beautifully. And charged in, telegraphed it. Shot of power.
It certainly was. It's Imran again. What's he going to do? It's quick. It wasn't quite as short. Which is just adjusting there and playing it very high on the bat. In fact, it couldn't have been all that far off the gloves.
A good fight back by Imran Khan. Turned the batter, Viv Richards then. The delivery had tremendous velocity into it. Great power. The pull shot of Viv Richards has done away with that man in close. He's been shifted back. Java had gone back to forward square leg.
Oh, and that's beaten him. Well, he's got Viv Richards backing away just a little bit, and one look back, he was trying to give a little room, I think, to cut him right on that back leg. And, he didn't enjoy it.